Hello everyone, this is Aisha from Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and I want to show you how I'm going to monogram DIY this cup. I'm going to use my monogram initials to monogram this cup. This cup I received for Christmas, and it is a Starbucks cup, and it came with coffee and some shortbread cookies. So I've already wiped it off with my alcohol. I cut out my monogram. I just have to weed it. Okay, and this is the Monogram KK font. And this vinyl is just regular vinyl. It's not HTV. It's just a regular vinyl where you have to use the transfer paper to put it on your cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and weed out the extra vinyl that I don't need. And as you see, I'm using my X-Acto knife. I need to put it back down here. All right, so I'm just gonna look at it and make sure I got everything off of here that needs to be off. And any letters that may come up, you can just use your knife or your fingers just to kind of press it back down on here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my transfer paper or my transfer tape, and I'm just going to, I have the one that have the grid lines in it so that you can see it really well, and you can kind of line it up better, as you see I'm doing right here. And I'm going to take my squeegee. I have a Cricut squeegee. And just rub it very well. In order to get the vinyl to be released onto the tape, transfer paper. All right. And as you see, it comes out really well. I have a little piece right there. Just take that off. Okay. Oops. If you have some that don't want to come up, you just use your fingers and get it down, or you can put it back down and use your squeegee to get it to release itself. But I'm doing pretty well with my fingers. Okay. And as you see right there, it's coming up. So I'm just going to use my fingers to press it back down. It's very sticky. Let's see. Okay. All right. So I think it's about ready to be put on my cup. Okay, so I'm going to take it and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it for the center of my cup. Oh, wow, that piece of, okay. And I'm just going to kind of put it about right in this area here. Kind of line it up. And I put the middle letter down first, my last name, I put it down first, and I just take it and just rub it across this away to just make sure there's no bubbles or any wrinkles. And try not to get it in there. Okay. Spread it out. And this one here. Oops. Just do the same on this side and just rub it down. Okay. And you can take your squeegee and just rub it down on here. And just take your fingers and just go across it very well. Okay. Now you can go ahead and pull your tape off or your transfer paper. All right, and you can always save this. Don't throw that away. And you see right there where the letter is trying to come up. I just rub it down with my fingers very well. And just make sure that it is adhered to the cup. All right, and there it is. My initial cup, my Starbucks cup. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of any upcoming videos. Have a great day.